Hi guys, I'm David, co-founder of Submagic, and in this video guys today I'm going to show you how you can create the famous Hormozy style subtitles, very fancy and attractive subtitles on your TikTok videos in under 2 minutes with submagic.co. Let's go. Okay guys, so first thing you're going to do is go on submagic.co, then you click on create my video now. You upload your video of your choice. We're going to take for this example this video. I just saw it.
Because that's all guys want. All guys want is pussy.
This is an example of a video of a podcast called Whatever in the US. I like it because there is already subtitles on the video. I don't like those kind of subtitles, but we're going to be able to compare this one and the new one we're going to make. So click on this video, you choose the language. At the moment, we support 37 languages, so you have the choice. So let's put English and let's put test. And then you click on upload. Okay, so once your video is uploaded, you're going to be able to edit it. So you click on edit and then, okay. So here is the edit. I didn't touch anything. Let's see the comparison. Let's see the result.
Because that's all guys want. All guys want is pussy.
Or could it be that the men that only want pussy, the men that only want sex from women, is because that's all that the women have to offer? Because for me, if pussy's all you're offering, pussy's all I want.
It's crazy. I'm laughing because like the result, guys, is just perfect. For this example, I have nothing to modify, but if you want to modify your text, you can do it on the left. So you can choose the word you want, you can change the highlights, the color. So you go on style. So basically we have three different styles, and in the future, we're gonna add some new styles. My goal is to bring you the best subtitles as possible on the market online. So actually the Hormozy style is very nice, but you have also this style. I like both of them, but the Hormozy style is the most famous. You can change the color you want. You can change the size, the position of your subtitles. And on the subtitles, you can change, like you can put the word on the next line, you can modify, you can change as well the timing, but it's pretty easy. And so when you finish editing your video, you just need to click on download. You wait 10 seconds, and that's it. Now you will receive an email with your video when it's ready. It generally takes up to 5 minutes maximum. So look at my mail. I just received the video. I just need to click here.
Because that's all guys want. All guys want is pussy.
Or could it?
And you can download it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to leave me a message if you have any questions. I can help you. And I see you soon for the next video. Bye bye.